Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to change default browser in Windows 11. This is a very simple method, and to do so, first of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now, on your taskbar, click on the Windows icon. Now search for Settings and click on Open. Once opened, search for App section and click on it. Now look for default apps and click on it. Now look for the browser that you want as default and click on it. After opening it, at the top bar you will see Make Google Chrome your default browser. Click on Set Default, which will now change the default browser to Google Chrome. That's it. Your default browser is changed. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.